everybody, and thank you for your coming and committee to have this section because this extra. The Eastern Sarus crane is one of the very critical endangered species in Thailand, and they are extinct from the wild in Thailand. Even in our neighboring country, we have Eastern Sarus crane in Cambodia, in Laos, in Vietnam, in south of China, in Myanmar, but not in Thailand, in the center. And this is why we have to do something with Eastern Sarus crane. Actually, Eastern Sarus crane has there are 3 subspecies in India, in Southeast Asia, and in Australia. Yeah, but the most important is extinct in Thailand. So this is make us to doing something, and they are the sexually monomorphic. It means male and female look very alike. This is another problem to pair them, and another problem is they are the monogamous. This means male and female will pair permanently, so they won't change the pair every year. So this is what make our breeding program very difficult. And to reintroduce any animal, especially Eastern Sarus crane, have to have many population and knowledge, technology, and big population, and it have to be the very good quality population. This means genetic diversity as well. We have studied where should be released, and we study about 6 sites of wetland around the country, and we found that the best one is the Huay-Jorakaemak non-hunting area in Ram, which is very near to Cambodia, where we have a lot of staying there. And this is the site, how it looks like. It's like a wetland with a grassland with a heavy lights view as well. And so many waterfowl, like you see here, many of the store, pet store, open view store, and so many water canyons. And the wetland is very, grassland and wetland is very, very good and abundant. Also, we have some cattle around as well. So it looks very nature, very fruitful for the trend. We have the prototype from the moving crane reintroduction program in USA, which is run by ICF and US Fishery and Wildlife. This is the moving crane, and they try to have the puppet to train the chicks, and then we modify that to our facility here. We have the isolation railing for the chick, not to know what is human look like, because another big problem is Eastern Sarus crane is very has very strong imprinting behavior. This means when they imprint human, they will think that they are human, so they will mate with a human in the future. So this is, we try to avoid to not let them know what is human look like. So we isolate them and feed them by, don't let them see or know the humans. So we put on the puppet like this, like what they look like in the nature. Before we doing any release, we have doing so many things like marking. We have plenty of marking, even the GPS for the backpack. We're doing the backpack transmitter and using the satellite to tracking them. We moved them from Nakornratchasima to the release site at Huay-Jorakaemak non-hunting area for about 1 to 2 months to let them know what is the habitat they have to live for whole life. And so many questions come up why we have to release the chick. We asked to the ICL that should we release adult one or the young one. The answer is the young, because the eastern Sarus crane should imprint the site which they have the first flight. This means the first flying of their life, they will imprint that area and come back again in the next year. In case that if these birds migrate to Cambodia, they will come back to Thailand again in the future. So that's why we try to release the young cranes. It's not like on view that we can release them any age, right? So we try to do it very young. This is about 5, 6, 8 months old, and they never fly. Then we just move them to the release site to let them have the first flight there. And this is a history picture. This is the first release of the crane in Thailand, and someone never see this picture, like the crane flying over the land of Thailand, because they are extinct for about 40 to 50 years. So in my age, I never seen the crane flying in the sky in Thailand. And the group that we released, we divide them to 2 groups. In March, we released the first group, and in May, we released the second group. 4 males and 6 females, chicks that we released. The sex is a problem because they are look alike. Then how to solve the problem, we try to doing the sexing as young as possible to know which age of them, which sex of them, to let the released bird have the balanced sex. But now we just try 4 males and 6 females. Now the result of the release is look quite complicated. You see, this is the wetland, which will be flooded in the rainy season. Then this habitat might not be used by the crane in the rainy season. And this is a dark grassland.
which they might be flat or not, and the rice field, like rice field is maybe not be flat in the rainy season, and the farmer used to grow the rice. So look at the home range that they use. This is the first group that we released, and the second group used this land. So the home range is much like overlap among wetland, grassland, and rice field. If we look at the home range is increased in the first group, increased rapidly, while the second group just increased a little bit because we released them in the rainy season, where the land is not big enough because the land was flat. You see the progress. The habitat, the home range they use increased rapidly and slow down in the rainy season. And the same in the second group, we released them in the rainy season, so it's slowly increase in home range. This is what the wetland look like. Grassland, so rice field. So it look like when in the dry season, this is the rice field. They use the rice field. It's like quite equally with wetland spring or grassland, but it's increased in the rainy season in rice field because the rice field was not flooded. The same. This is the rainy season for the second group. Just the rice field increased very rapidly. So, for the discussion, both groups have similar trend to in terms of their home range exploring rate. It means the home range they use is increase, and they can choose by themselves. The season differences may be affect to their home range exploring rate. Mean that the season has effect to their home range or the land use as well. Conclusion: the process of the home range is for the both group in the right process, and right field may be temporarily habitat during the rainy season, because we have studied only about a half of the year, so we have to collect the data long run and to see the average that they which season they use which habitat, and we need the PR and education plan, action plan to reduce the contact between the locals and the Eastern Sarus spread, because that now there are so many villages around, and if the right field has been used by
Eastern Saracen, maybe the farmer think that the Eastern Saracen may have some damage to their rice and maybe promote the hunting, promote everything to damage the trade. So we have to do the action plan for the public relation and education to the villager. And zoo alone cannot do anything to release or to do the introduction program. So we have so many partners, and the big sponsor to us is the Natural Research Council of Thailand, which they give us a lot of money for the research, and so many partners like DNP, University, University, even the International Training Foundation, Bird Conservation Society of Thailand, the NGO, Zoological University, Huay-Jorakaemak University, and a lot of agency, our partner didn't mention here. So this is it looks very freedom compared to they are in the zoo. Thank you.